How does that even happen? This car is vibrating that much, dude, that my freaking bolts is bouncing out of here. I guess, man, I guess. This car just gets more and more ghetto looking, man. Look, I'm sick of this. Alright, let's see if that had anything to do with why my AFRs was weird. My idle's still kind of bouncing around, so I don't know. It's still lean, so I don't know. It's not normally this lean at idle. That indeed was not why the car was tripping. Still having the same issue, honestly. See, look at my AFR. Disgusting. I'm about to sell this car. Why is it giving me these issues, dude? So, since I think I'm having an issue with my fuel injectors again already, I went ahead and pulled my fuel filter. This is a, I forget, I think it's like a 5 micron, something like that. It's basically good for E85, methanol, basically everything. Any type of fuel that you would normally use is supposed to be good for all of those. You can see it's pretty dirty. So yeah, I'm just wondering if like maybe my injectors just keep getting clogged because my fuel is filthy or what. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. Well, what I'm gonna do is blow with the air compressor, try to blow all this crap out of here, and then just throw it back in. If the injectors are dirty or clogged or whatever, pretty much it's too late. They'll have to be cleaned again. But I don't even know if this is why this is happening. Like, it could not even be this at all. It could be that my injectors ain't even clogged. I really don't know. I have to get them tested, but you know, this is pretty dirty, so I can at least clean it. It don't hurt. Anyways, I'm done messing with this car. It wasn't the missing bolt for the fuel pressure regulator that was making it trip out. I don't know what it is. It just, to me, seems like it's a filling issue or a vacuum leak, but I can't see it being a vacuum leak because the car is super responsive, and anytime I spray brake clean on anything, you know, anything intake related, it does nothing. So it's not like, you know, a vacuum leak. It don't seem like one to me. Yeah, I don't know, but shift things over to the hatch. I went ahead and bought another EX cluster. It's filthy right now. Obviously I gotta clean it, but I'll go ahead and toss this in the hatch and see if it works, and then we'll finally have an RPM gauge in that hoe. Hey, let's go. RPM gauge in the hatch finally. I took the cluster that I just bought, and well, I took the cluster that I just bought out of the hatch and then threw it in here because I definitely feel like it's more important for me to know how fast I'm going in this car versus in that one. So yeah, a nigga actually got miles per hour now. I know how fast I'm going. That's good to know. It kind of sucks not having it in the hatch, but I mean, the cluster was broken, so what can I do other than just buy another one? So I'm either have to buy another one. I wouldn't mind having one from a CRV. That one is pretty dope. I really want an S2000 one, but that just costs way too much money. I'm not trying to do all that. So I don't know. I might either get a CRV one or just buy another EX one and just rock with that. This one's cool. It ain't nothing wrong with this one. It's just kind of boring to me, just because I'm used to it, I guess. I switched to my tune when it was fresh off the dyno, so I knew that that one was like closer to the rich side, so that's why I did that. And it seems to be running just fine on this map. So I'm gonna rock with this one until I get all of my flex fuel stuff situated, and then I'll hit up my tuner and we can start off of the other one and get that map situated. It was just good, but after I did that pull, now it looked like it's running lean. And now the car feels like garbage. That's unfortunate. Sound like it neither. After I did that, it kind of cleared up and now it's doing fine. It's kind of weird. Dang, look how windy it is. Look at all that dirt. Freaking tumbleweeds and everything. It's stupid windy. It's crazy. I wish I knew what was wrong with this thing. Like why it's acting funny. As long as there's no 12s around, I think we good. I didn't know if that charger was a cop or not. That's why I slowed down. Look at this nigga. He was trying to fly. He was going nowhere. I'm gonna just go up this street and make a U-turn real quick. Possibly. I don't know. Brakes. Yeah, I don't know, the car low-key seemed like it might be lacking a little bit of power on this map. All over the road. Yeah, I don't know, it seems fine right now. Earlier I was trying to get on it and it was giving me a little bit of issues. Crap is fun, dude. It'd be a little scary because it do get a little rowdy, but it's a blast.